friends, today we're diving into one of my favourite all-natural remedies, apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short. This humble pantry staple is packed with health and beauty benefits. Stick around as I reveal 5 apple cider vinegar benefits you've been missing out on. Trust me, you'll want to grab a bottle after this. Benefit 1. Improves digestion. Let's start with digestion. If you struggle with bloating or indigestion, apple cider vinegar might just be your new best friend. Its natural acids help balance stomach pH and boost digestion. To try it out, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water and drink it 15 to 20 minutes before mealtime. This simple habit can help break down food more effectively and even reduce that heavy post-meal feeling. Benefit 2. Supports weight management. Next up, weight management. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help suppress appetite and stabilize blood sugar levels. You can incorporate it into your meals by using it as a salad dressing. Just mix apple cider vinegar with olive oil, a little mustard, and your favorite herbs, or dilute it into water and drink it before meals. Easy and effective. Benefit 3. Enhances skincare. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can work wonders for your skin? Thanks to its antibacterial and pH balancing properties. It's great for treating acne and soothing irritated skin. Just dilute apple cider vinegar with equal parts water. Apply it to blemishes with a cotton pad. Let it work its magic. Remember to do a patch test first. Your skin will thank you later. Benefit 4. Boosts detoxification. Feeling sluggish? Apple cider vinegar can support your body's natural detox process by improving liver function and flushing out toxins. Start your mornings with a detox drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, fresh lemon juice, and honey in a glass of warm water. It's a refreshing way to kickstart your day. Benefit 5. Fights bad breath. And finally, for those who deal with bad breath, apple cider vinegar can help. Its antibacterial properties target odor-causing bacteria. Gurgle a diluted mix of 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in water for fresher breath instantly. So there you have it. 5 amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar for digestion, weight management, skincare, and more. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks to boost your health. See you next time.